In this guide, you'll learn how to fix message could not be delivered in Discord. Let's get started. First, launch your Discord, navigate to the settings. Once you're over here, head over to the section Content and Social. Now, here you're gonna find different option. Inside this section of content, make sure you have set all these options to show. Click on the option Graphic Media. Do the same for this as well. Then scroll down and head over to the section Direct Messages. Set it to Do Not Filter. Then toggle on for these options, Allow Access. Then head over to the section Social Permission. Toggle on for these options, Direct Messages and Message Request. Lastly, head over to the section Friend Request and toggle on for all these options. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check your internet connection. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Discord from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.